Mayambu amukka hanna khurumjari. Namaste. Hello. Today let's explore Prozone Mall in Coimbatore. तो जहाँ पे मैं काम कर रही हूँ उधर से प्रोजोन करीबन सिर्फ 5 किलोमीटर के दूरी पे है और आज मैं करने जा रही हूँ थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग अदुना ngasiगी वीडियो सिदा आइना करी करी पोट अपाम पामदा लेसिगे करी लेगे येंगसिको Let's enjoy! Asidana aise blouse white machugi ready made oirasu natraga ngahakhtang da alter tawba yaragasu aidi sari setpanina college ki leigena changubane aduga yam sathina oversize webam phangaba abadi ai ani changadaba amoina phange aduna toe. So I was just roaming around looking at some kurtis and then all of a suddenly I spotted some beautiful saris. So let me show you around the saris. So this is the section for sari and the collection that they have got there was really beautiful. Sari ne hairaga amakhak arang arakta pangthin thinjanbi nataba amakhak yamna lemna yam phajabasu yahaweba aduga yam ka hena yam pamjabasu oide do oide sari se habadi uniform gi type set ta yada bai set panina ko sum yengi ba du ne phadi phajai ko adoi tarsu simadi slaining he ga habadu di angka adumadi oide aingonda I don't know why but collection was really nice. Vanakkam. Now let's see how Zudio looks like in Tamil script. So I was standing in front of Zudio in Tamil, now Zudio in English. You know, it's so nice experimenting with different languages for me. Now moving forward, I am looking for some floral printed dresses which I've been looking earlier also, and till now I haven't got the dress that just click. So I was looking and then putting it back. Now time to look at some shoes because a good shoes always keeps you in a good mood. तो मेरा मानना यही है कि अगर तुम राइट पेयर ऑफ शूज़ चुन लोगे पहन लोगे तो तुम्हारे अंदर से जो खुशी जो मिलता है ना वो कुछ अलग ही है. So I was trying on shoes one after another. Aduga last ko aise khanbam khangoi doineba. Amakhak dum yaida gi type du neba. Hek yeng simadi yam phajare he gai du som tan nataba khong si ju ko moi gi nungsa si da chatlaga musan ban su loiraba. Phajabam khangdabi du neba in tawrise. Khanbam khangdabi phajaira phajadira khangdabi adugi kaino neba. Aina hojik lairiba dilemma se. Aji लैसु लैरोई दोइने आइन तौरिसे येंगा येंगामगा खंगदे दुम. अब मैं फिर नीचे आ गई क्योंकि जो मुझे चाहिए था वो तो मिली नहीं. तो अब मैं आ गई नीचे थोड़ा और ढूंढने, देखते हैं क्या क्या मिलता है नीचे। अब नेक्स्ट जो है, मैं अपने पापा के लिए एक ट्रैक पैंट ढूंढ रही थी। तो सेल्समैन को मैंने उसको इतना परेशान किया, उतना परेशान किया, कभी कलर, कभी ये साइज़ वो साइज़, बट the salesman was really helpful. He was very kind. Like, after all the drama that I have been doing, he was trying his best, and finally it was decided at this. It was looking really cool. Papa will look very cool in this. Time to pay the bill. So heading towards the billing counter. This is how daughters should be, huh?